Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we dive right into how to use UPBASE for workflow optimization in the year 2025. First off, you need to sign into your UPBASE account. If you don't have one, create one. It's fast and straightforward. Now, why do we do this? Because UPBASE acts as the central hub where all your work processes will be streamlined, so it's essential to have an account. Next up, we're going to set up our workflow. Go to the left sidebar and click on Workflows. Here, you can create a new workflow by clicking Add Workflow. This step is crucial because it helps define the process and assign tasks accordingly. Once you've done that, you should add tasks to your workflow. Click on Add Task button and start adding your tasks one by one. Each task should be a step in your process. The reason we do this is to break down your workflow into manageable parts, making it easier to track progress and identify bottlenecks. Now that we've added the tasks, it's time to assign team members to each task. Click on the task, and on the right side, you'll see an Assign button. Here's where you can select the team member responsible for that task. Assigning tasks not only ensures accountability, but also aids in efficient resource allocation. Finally, set a deadline for each task. Click on the task, and under Due Date, select a date from the calendar. This helps us because it creates a timeline for your workflow and ensures tasks are completed on time. Let me explain why this matters. Workflow optimization through UPBASE allows for better resource allocation, accountability, and efficiency, ensuring your projects are completed on time and without unnecessary delays. And there you have it, a simple guide to using UPBASE for workflow optimization. Remember, the key is to tailor UPBASE to suit your team's needs to achieve maximum productivity. Until next time, keep optimizing.